So you know how I said I don't really do toy hunting too much and I just pre-order everything? Well, I have gone to a store 3 days in a row since I started recording and making these. I have to pick some things up, so I'm here, so I figure I'll take a look around and see what they have. I do kind of want a Crow figure. I know they've been at some Walmart, so I'll be checking out for those, but we'll go see what they have. That's your Funko Pop. Let's see. It's your April O'Neil. Saki Hamatayosha from the first movie. King Kong. Flash Gordon. Yep. No Crow. Let's see over here.
What is he like? Oh, there's a mouse.
No. Here. Alright, more of the same. Go look at the other action figures. Alright, got some Jurassic World, Ghostbusters, Ecto 1. Very nice. Buzz Lightyear. So people have been making these into Sentinels. Excuse me. So this is about where there's too many people for me to talk, so I just started recording. There's your Power Ranger section, got your Zords, and there's the Lightning collection. That's wave 10. I have all that. I was just seeing if they had any wave 11 or any Lunar Wolf. Nothing there. Some stuff on the bottom. Just kind of looking around the Pokemon stuff. That's always empty there. Fortnite. Some Halo stuff. Star Wars, Batman, of course. And that wing's kind of cool. I like the Batmobile. There's your Dark Knight Returns Superman. I actually kind of really like that figure. That's a pretty cool one. I haven't seen the black suit Superman yet with the McFarlane figures. It's the Demon. There's your Marvel stuff. They didn't really have any Marvel Legends. So that Jack Sparrow, I actually thought about getting. That was pretty cool. Not too much. A lot of younger children toys. Not too much of the collectible figures. There's like that one Bo-Katan right there in the vintage collection. Oh yeah, there's that Princess Leia too. But all the rest of the vintage were Landos. All of them. There was probably like 15, maybe even more even Landos. So Landos everywhere. And some Motu, some wrestling. I don't really know too much about that stuff. It is so hot outside. It is 103 degrees. It is almost 7 p.m. But that's Texas heat for you. Didn't find anything in. I'll have to do a voiceover. There's a lot of people inside. I liked that Jack Sparrow. I guess it was a gold label because of McFarlane, the Multiverse. But again, it's just not something worth getting into right now. But I did like it. There's some cool stuff in there. All right, well, thanks, guys.